postman's been here. I'll be needing this. Let's see what we've got. What is it? Outdoor security cam, 4K. So what we're gonna do with this is set it up outside, so when the postman comes, we can show you, and when people come to steal our stuff, we can get video footage of them as well. Look at this thing. Interesting. So this is meant to be power over Ethernet. But yeah, hopefully we can just power it from Ethernet and obviously get the 4K video directly via Ethernet as well. So you know which one's what. I chose pinto beans.
How is it?
Good. Ooh. I got a tasty sauce. Coriander. Let's watch that one.
Now come up with a theme song for 368. What's wrong with mine, Jack?
Casey.
I edit all night, and then the next morning, instead of posting, I give that edit to Dan. And that edit is like...
Fully vlogging it up on your way to work. Got some shit open. Let's have a look. So, let's open some boxes, folks. Make our day just slightly more exciting. Add a little bit of fun to our life. Okay, so this, I think you saw me open my new security camera the other day. Maybe we haven't published that video yet. This is just a mount because I realized the security camera, where is that security camera? Look at that. That's how it's actually meant to be mounted, upside down. That's how they're designed. Originally I was going to mount it flat on a wall like that, which probably would work, but I tend to think that it'd get really dirty and rained on and stuff like that, and so getting it mounted on a proper thing like this should protect it from the elements a little bit more. What have we got here? I think, yeah, these are card readers. Double dump. Oh, let's see. So USB 3, okay, so it's got a USB hub in it as well, that's cool. And just SD card reader and micro SD card reader. There you go, bro.
So windy.
Going down, lads. You can die, if it's die casted, you can put nut inserts, like brass nut inserts, which might be better, but that probably complicates things a little bit. What about 2.5 mil? So is that just to secure the PCB onto the heatsink, and then the lid itself has a different set of screws, like the cover? Yeah, that's, I didn't fully follow that, so no, that's cool. Purpose of testing, we can 3D print the lid as well if you want something a little bit more finished looking. Yeah, man, there's robot hands and shit. Yeah, nah, it's nice to get, because I mean, eventually what we're gonna have to do is start leaking some pictures out into the wild of this thing. I mean, I don't know where you are with that, Jeff, if you want, but to build the hype, we could probably start that now. I mean, it's gonna be one of those things that sends everyone nuts. I mean, it's gonna be like Christmas for a lot of people, so it'll be exciting to see the reaction. So I don't know, timeline wise, like obviously, you know, you got to get the hardware right, then the software, you want to delve into that. Where do you see that going? I mean, when you talk about the software, are you talking about the firmware and like the user interface as well? Like we need to know the price, I suppose. That's once you drop the seed a little bit, everyone's going to be like, that's cool, but how much? That's the next question. So have you got the quote back, Charles? I mean, put it this way, it'd be nice to launch a product and just have 1,000 of them ready to ship. I mean, how amazing would that be? I'm gonna film you, filming me, talking about you coming to film me make some tea so that we can bring it back here and drink it and film us drinking it. How about that? Good?
Good.
Okay, good. This one has chili in it, which I think you might actually like it. It's not that. This is just like extra spicy. So probably about that. We can milk. Do you want me to milk your cup now?
Milk my cup.
Yeah.
The rest is taken. Oh, you want to do it?
With my foot. One of the byproducts of becoming a black belt in Taekwondo.
Successful.
Yeah, we did it. It's a bit hot. If you like it extra strong, you can pour it back through. These are pretty big cups, so we'll sort of only get 3. It's hot and soothing for the soul, and I need it.
Should we make this a regular thing, do you think?
I think so, especially as it gets colder, which I assume winter in the Gold Coast is cold, I don't know. But as it gets colder, these kinds of little treats in the afternoon just make the day so much better. Zencaster.
We're trying out a new audio recording program. You there, Jace? Sup?
This is a podcasting app, right? Okay, so I can send this link to anyone, anywhere in the world, and it makes them join in on this podcast. So this guy that I want to talk to, he's been he's a customer of ours, but he's been super vocal about how upset he is. All these delays and why aren't we doing better, and you know, stop lying to us, stop telling us that, we're sick of it, you know, all that. So you know what, let's talk to him. Let's allow him to ask us whatever he wants about the business and about why things are the way they are, and I'll just answer it honestly. Yeah, I mean, I think what will happen is he will probably ask some really tough questions, which I'll answer. I'll answer everything as best as I can. But it will be from the perspective of our customers. Unlike when I put out information, I'm saying what I think I should say, or what I can say, or what is in my mind. But that's my perspective. How powerful is it going to be if the voice of the customer, the voice of the people, is a character in it, is able to get their opinion across? Yeah, it is risky, and no one's doing it. No one is out there saying, you know what, I actually give a f what my customers think, so let's ask them what they think, and let's say if we can do it or if we can't. Isn't that just what business is about? I mean, aren't I just here to make people happy?